Mars made this instrument is designed to study the transformer step up and step down. Here is DPM. Here is primary voltage selector 6 volt to 20 volt AC. Here is output and step up transformer. Here is primary voltage 20 volt AC, and then secondary output here is 48 volt AC, 50 Hz frequency, transformer turn ratio 1:2, and here is step down transformer, input voltage 20 volt AC and secondary output 12 volt AC, and transformer turn ratio 2/1. And now next video I explain how to connect the circuit with patch codes according to the manual. First of all, input voltage here is connected to 20 volt AC, and now switch on the instrument, and here is output of primary voltage selector 6 volt, 12 volt, 18 volt and 20 volt AC. Now goes the DPM input. Here is connect DPM input, and other is output of connect here input. And now see, here is output 6 volt, 12 volt, 18 volt and then 24 voltage. And now remove the patch cords and output of step up transformer. First of all, here is remove the patch cords. Here is output goes to input step up transformer here, and now see the output step up goes to DPM input with patch cords. And now see the voltage 48, 24 input voltage convert 48 voltage, and now vary the voltage 36 volt input voltage 18, and now same 12 volt input, and then output here is 20 volt AC. Here is 6 volt input selected, and output see the 12 volt, and now same connection step down transformer. Here is remove the patch cords from step up transformer, and here is output, and connect step down input primaries and connect the DPM of step down output here. And here is see the voltage input 6 volt and step down transformer output here is half 3 volt. Same here is vary the voltage 12 volt and then output after 6 volt step down transformer. Here is 20 volt AC and then output here is 12 volt. Measure the DPM digital voltmeter, and here is manual transformer step up and step down. Here is specification, and now here is procedure. Step up transformer, follow the step by step and connect the circuit and measure the voltage. Same here, connect the voltage step down transformer. Observe output voltage at vary turn ratio. Thank you.